find a way. Obviously, we've only had maybe 6 practices and in the practice, so and then 2 tune-up games. So we know we're a little bit rusty in that. But I think this team is also a veteran team. You know, AD's been with us a long time. We know he's still not in his peak form, but you know, he was up to the task of finding ways. And I think just credit for AD, our team, the guys in the first half, the bigs, kept it fresh. They stood their ground, they played their roles. By the time the second half came, AD was fresher. I compliment our teammates.
Coach, no Raymond and Elaine tonight, a lot stepped up, especially Jolo Mendoza. Could you just get some insights on Jolo's game? And is it safe to say that you're confident with the depth of your roster despite those 2 players being sidelined?
Coach Nena did a really great job of giving minutes to multiple guys. And our team concept, Jolo came in the second half, CJ came in, they did some damage all around, right? But when AD was with us before, remember, all the Filipino conference, you're always last place when we first started out, right? I think now the nice thing that you can see is their tools, their guys who can help us, right? So you've got veterans like Cliff, New, ED, but you've also got a little, you see, we probably got a little bit more depth now.
Thank you, Coach. AD, first game back in the PBA, welcome back. Do you think it was an advantage that you had prior PBA experience compared to that Robinson tonight, or when you came back, was it like a whole new different experience?
I mean, PBA is always a tough league, very physical, so got to adjust to that. And I think tonight with all the festivities, it kind of threw off normal game rhythm, the show and everything. But like Coach said, we just kept preaching, find a way to get through these first couple games because we only been practicing, not that long. So so proud of the coaches and the guys for staying together through this tough first game.
AD, Coach mentioned that you still aren't in your peak form. What was the biggest in-game adjustment that you had to make, and the biggest challenge that Pagboya threw for you?
For me, it's just adjusting back to the physicality. I can't. I'm not as young as I used to be. I can't just power in there. So I got to figure out a way to maneuver and stuff like that. And the outside shots have to fall a little bit. So I think that opened up a lot. But I'll get back to my form, and we'll get better and better as the conference goes on.
At this point, we are opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations. Coach, hindi natin iwasan talagang goal na game 4.9 4.7 discussion. Talk about the purpose of Pangkero. Do you think that 4 or 5 attempts of that distance?
Well, we believe some of our guys can shoot in that range. Diba? So sa kabilang panig, you have Wally, you have other guys who can shoot in that range. But for us, if you notice, kahit sa dating conference, CB can take a shot from there. Si Moquito can take a shot from there. It's a shot that he can make. And what's nice is that it opens up the floor, right? So it's something I was saying parang nagkakailangan pa. Minsan si Chris had the ball, he was going to take a shot, he didn't know, but I think CB took the first shot, so that will go down in history. He's the first guy who made it. I think Jolo also had one. But it's something new. It's something parang you can get back. Even in the end game, like before 3 points, you need a 3-point shot. Now at 4, you can come back. So I'm sure teams will find ways how to use it then.
Also, you're 2 months removed from winning the championship. Siyempre, winning championship, hangover po kayo. Close na ba kayo shake-out na yun or there's still that?
Yeah, we use each other in that locker room. We have a lot of vets, so they know, after that, we're very proud of everyone. Even AD winning in Japan, he's been solid. Wherever he's gone, he's been a winner. He's carried us to 3 finals in Japan. He's been in the finals, won a championship. So we know that, but I think we have to be confident in our guys also. Sinasabi namin na, that's the one thing after winning a championship, you're confident, right? So we knew we wouldn't be at a top 4, but we're smart enough, the guys are smart enough how to pick their spots on the board. And just everybody chipping in. Kahit yung mga bench players, Kyle's a veteran, Norbert's a veteran. So I think we're one of the oldest teams right now in PBA.
Of course, it's been said that this is your third PBFL. Can you talk about your familiarity with the boats? And of course, this is the last time they were. Can you talk about how familiarity became key in this win against Mongolia?
You know, I've been with this organization for a while, and you know, I know there's been, you know, not just a basketball connection, but a brotherhood that's been built, you know, over the years and stuff like that. So, you know, coming back here, it felt right, you know. The only difference now is like like Coach said, we got experience, you know. So now everybody's focused. So no matter what point in the game, you know, we never get too high, never get too low, and I think that's going to help us going deep into the conference.
Coach, si Ken Robinson po ka-point siya, even though they were going to the wing, coach. What was the discussion in the huddle? Were you expecting a 4-point shot to be taken during that stretch?
Yeah, those are possession games, right? You're up by 5, you hit the 3, if you foul, and you make 2, they still have, even if you make 2, it's still an opportunity, right? So it's a makeable shot, it really depends, right? With us as a game plan, do you foul? And do you put them on the free throw instead of getting 4 points? That's something that as a staff we decide on, right? But we fired it up, and I think the PBs, when you're moving forward, you have to be able to defend that perimeter better, right? So it's hard. If I'm a guy who can shoot there, like AD was near the 3-point, 4-point line, when guys are closing out, it's a whole lane going downhill. So I think versatility is key. I think playing in Japan also opened up your 3-point shot. Like AD for us was always inside, diba? Now he's operating. I think the weapon that he brings in is you're comfortable playing outside too. Remember in Japan they're 4 imports, so he plays it differently.
Coach, you shot 40% from 4 range. Is this a weapon moving forward? The way you shot tonight, this is going to be a regular weapon of yours?
Conventional, sasabihin mo, you know, you always want to go back to the 3, but it is. If you look at analytics, right? Like if you're able to make it at a good percentage, you have to take those shots, right? So it makes it exciting in terms of, you know, guys can come back. It makes the game faster. And to us, we don't know really the final solution or answers here, but we'll explore as the games get by, right? But you notice some of our players planted some 4 points. We have confidence in them. They can make it. If it's an open shot, we'll allow them to take that.